I'm sure you've seen these robot call routing systems that are horrible because whenever you call in, it's going to ask you to dial one, dial two, dial three. That's not good. Nobody likes that experience. And so I'm going to teach you how you can build an AI call handling system. So whenever somebody calls in, they can speak to a real sounding AI agent that can then sort them and send them to different departments depending on where they need to go. So without further ado, I'm going to screen share and let's hop right into this. So right now we're within the Nova Echo dashboard. Nova Echo is the most advanced conversational voice AI platform in the world right now. And you can see that over here we have the prompt section, and this is where we're going to be setting up a lot of this. Before we do that, we need to scroll up here and choose an opening message. This is going to be the first thing the AI says when somebody calls us. We're going to say, hey, thanks for calling in. What can I help you with today? We're then going to choose a voice. I think Troy is good. Next, we're going to scroll down and create our prompt. Okay, so the prompt is going to be super simple for this. We're going to say, if the prospect needs help with support, say, great. I'll transfer you to our support team now. And then we're just going to copy this message. We're going to paste, 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 paste. Now, if they need help with service, to our service team now. If they need help with sales, we'll say sales team. If they need help with parts, just pretend this is some kind of mechanic, parts. And if they need help with billing, we'll transfer them to the billing team. Now, no matter what the person says, it will figure out which they need help with, and it will then transfer them to that. And it will sound like a real human so that these people don't feel like they're having to talk to this robot. And a bonus here is that you can actually make it so that this AI will answer a lot of the common questions they have, up to 80% of them. And then that other 20% that's more complex, you can then transfer to a different department using this. But I'm going to show that in a different video. In this video, I just want to show you that last part, which is actually transferring it to a human. So after we've done this, we're going to go and we're going to click on transfer. Then we're going to go to keyword based. And I typically like to turn on allow transfer only during business hours. That way we're not transferring at bad times. For the phrase, we're going to go ahead and do support team. And then we're going to insert a number. So random number. Then we're going to say billing team. And we're going to do the number. Okay, so now we have them all in here. We're just going to press submit. Perfect. And now whenever the AI says support team, it will transfer to that number. Now I put the same number for each of them. Obviously, you're going to want to put a different number. For the service team, whenever it says the word service team, it will transfer and so on and so forth with sales, parts, and billing. So it's a pretty simple setup and it will automatically transfer to whatever numbers you put here during whatever times you put here. So this makes it super convenient and it's a much, much better user experience than having some robot say, dial 1 for this, dial 2 for this. No, they get to tell you what they need. The AI will figure out which department can handle that. And you can make this more complex if there's all kinds of different things people typically ask for. For example, if somebody asks to buy a product, you can then send them to sales. That way the person can say whatever they need. The AI will figure out exactly which department they need to be transferred to. It will transfer them over while sounding just like a human. And once again, if you want to, you can even have the AI answer a bunch of the questions and then send text messages to those people with PDF documents or whatever else they will need to get that question answered. So if you want to get this set up in your business, there'll be a link in the description below to book a call with our team. And they will be able to give you a full demo, teach you everything you need to know about the technology, and get you set up with one of our plans. And if you want to see how you can send text messages based on what happened during a customer service call over the phone, then you can go ahead and click right here.